Teenagers ask, why do I always lose money? How come whenever I try to save money, it never works? Let me tell you why. For example, if a teenager has a job, they receive their first paycheck. What do they do with that paycheck? Instead of putting it away and saving it in the bank, they go to a store and they buy clothes that they don't need. That's one reason why you don't have enough money or you can't save money. So here's my tip to you. My tip to you is whenever you receive a paycheck, be the one to pay yourself first. Put some money away and save it in the bank in a savings account and keep that money in there because if you, for example, if you plant a tree, you put the seed in the dirt and it takes a while to grow into a full tree. But trust me, one day that little tiny seed is going to be a huge, giant, blossom tree. So be patient and be wise about saving your money.